Poetry has remained as a powerful tool as it has been a cause of revolutions across continents. Exploring poetry by a group of young
Its eyes
professionals
pour
is
into you
creating
as you
ripples
try
in
to
the
swallow.
city under the ambit of Poets of Bangalore. Members from the group quite often meet with innovative ideas to work on a given theme. Similarly, the group worked on a theme titled Incredible India that worked wonders as poets from various walks of life, as it had a mix of accomplished poets and storytellers, to the budding teenage boys and girls that had a sight to see at Starbucks in Bengaluru this morning.
Guest at the dinner table. Its eyes bore into you as you try to swallow, but its gaze turns bread into tasteless, coarse crumbs, making it hard to gulp it down the lump in your throat. Nostalgia feels like a sea of missed opportunities, and every night after dinner, I attend the funeral of everyone I could have been, everyone I will never be. It is but a
Cascading symphonies, rhyming with the melody of the tide. Devoid of a final goodbye, aloof of the hearts that are punctured, and the grief that entails. There are the salubrious and the thoughtless, sometimes both, often not, all gripping onto this abysmal fortune, for there is no certainty, no courage or defiance against this. Sirens wail in the distance. Is it a fighter or is it a fallen? Is it the penetrator thought the weaklings?
of Palakkad. Dawn seeps in through the brick-colored window, whose one sturdy grills kept the new world out for as long as it could, until it bent to the pressures of time. The sun's feeble rays make patterns on the armchair, the one that countless generations fought over to own. The older ones marking territories, sipping coffee with too much fun.
So, talking about cliches, is it about level? Or despite the traffic jam? I don't know. Maybe that's why irrational is how love is defined. I love the clean roads here. They make me feel so safe. And all my Kannadiga friends courageously deal with my desperate but genuine Kannada speaking attempts. The place where I studied and now work, which gave me a new Rujta to discover. I think Bangalore too has a great deal to offer in my new developing hobby. So by the way, I literally made my family shift here, like my parents, my brother, I made them shift here. It was almost like, itna secret apply kiya universe se. It was like, their wives Janeman cheers. So yes, that's about it. I don't know what really to say. It has been pretty wonderful to be here. From being Hyderabadis to Thanekars to Bangaloreites, काफी हटके रहा है हमारा सफर. And all these beautiful places feel like me because they've given so much of me to myself. And that's why perhaps where I come from is a slightly complicated but a beautiful story to tell. Thank you.